Before students head back to the classroom this fall, some educators are getting their lessons into. This week, a virtual course is providing education for educators, helping them hone in on a specific teaching skill. Educators can have a pretty unique bond with their students. They can often be the first ones to notice when something may be off with a student's behavior.
I think if we don't know what to say and what to do, we don't say anything.
A new virtual course offered by Sanford Health is now equipping these educators with tools to support youth who may be struggling internally.
Our philosophy is we want folks to have a general understanding of what is behavioral health and those concerns, and then more importantly, how to have a conversation with a youth who may be struggling.
The Vibrant Hurley School District made these courses mandatory for all staff.
With all the social media and all of the issues with students and children being basically entrenched in technology and not being able to handle situations emotionally, and we've just noticed a lot of that, and the growing concern going forward is what can we do to help prepare our teachers, to help our kids, so they don't have to go through those things in life.
He says this course introduced educators to a wide raft of mental health topics and challenges that many youth face, oftentimes in silence.
Things that you don't always think about, like, eating disorders. You hear a lot more about, depression, anxiety, but eating disorders we don't always look out for. And that was brought up in a topic, and you learned about it and you researched about it, and it made you more comfortable noticing things that you might not have noticed before.
Carrie Severin has been teaching for 13 years now. She teaches on the colony and says this training helped give her resources that can sometimes be difficult to find in rural areas of the state.
So being able to be on the front lines for our students, to get them to have someone that is there for them until we can get them the services that they need was really important to me, especially being out at the colony.
She also says she learned some vital lessons for herself, too.
And I learned something that's called compassion fatigue, where if you're not taking care of yourself, it really starts to wear down on you. And it was something that struck home with me, is like, if I want to take care of my kids, I also have to take care of myself. The courses, known as Be Heard, also have a developed comprehensive set of resources for educators to take the lessons beyond the single one-day course. We have more information right now over at dakotanewsnow.com.